just received this very neat, compact little Brailing, somewhat of a typewriter. It doesn't make any ink marks, but makes imprints, perforations on paper tape. It is by Blindenstudienanstalt, which is Blind Studio Institution, or just Blind Institute of Marburg-Lahn. This is number 1769, probably internal school number of 62, wherever this was distributed. Has little push buttons here to open the various latches. This is the perforation tape. This is just the pressure roller. There is no cut off, so what I do myself is I hold the tape still here and then use this handle as a tear. And the tape refills in here. And the main typewriter has the two indents here to pop that open. The space key folds down. This is an indicator of how much tape is left inside. And I have made myself a little note of which keys represent which point in the cell will be made, because I'm not very familiar with blind typing. Marburg-Lahn is in Germany, obviously, just north of Frankfurt, so about 5 hours from me. Let's pull up a blind alphabet, or sorry, a Braille alphabet here. And let's type hello. So H is too high and middle. It's a little bit sticky. E is high and middle. L is 3 on the side, 3 on the side, and then top, bottom, middle. If I hit space, see it advances. Every combination you press advances the tape. So as I said, I hold down the tape, pull it up there to break it. So a blind person should be able to read hello out of this. So H, E, L, L, O. And then I did each key individually there. So it goes left bottom, left middle, left top, right middle, right bottom. Pretty neat, very compact. And closing is a little bit of a pain. There's no catch for the space bar, so you kind of got to hold it down while you fold it to catch it. There we go, got it. And this just snaps down, and then we're ready to roll.